My friends, hello again. uh, I would like that today we discuss about Microsoft Word, but we describe each part made up Microsoft Word like displayed screen. You see this screen. Sometime you ask someone to click in a quick access toolbar, then he fails. If you ask him or her to click on tab or new tab, he fails. Zoom, maximize, minimize, she fails. So then today let me try to explain and describe with the name how do you call this part from here, from this home up to here. It means to view. How do you call this one from here up here? How do you call this file? How do you call this part here? Okay, how do you call this part? So let's describe step by step. So here I try to explain each part with the name. This part from here up to here is known as ruler bar. It's a ruler bar, and this part is known as zoom bar. Okay, let's as we try to put from here up here is known as zoom bar. This part from here up here is known as let's just continue by explaining each part. Okay, as you see here we have different part. Here from here up here is known as quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, we find what? We find to save document and or redo. Okay, so this is what we call a checker. Checker is like when you write a word badly, you can spell by clicking here. This means to spell your word. Spelling and the grammar check is complete. Okay, what you find here in this quick access toolbar, you find many things. So you find new, open, save, quick, print, email, and the other things. Okay, also this file is known as file tab and backstage view. That is its name. What we find there, we find the document properties, we find the open, save as, and save. We find it there, print, share document, new document, and the documents protection. Let's just click there and find. You see, we find some more properties as you see here. Okay, then after you click here to close. For this part from here up to here is known as ribbon. Okay, then this small icon you find here, and even this one, and even this one. This small icon is known as dialog box launcher. Okay, this color red from here up here, and then here from here up here, okay, is known as ruler bar. We have another part, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. This part is known as tabs bar. Each part is a tab. This is a tab, this is another tab, this is another tab. Okay, here is written documents, is where we write the title, is known as title bar. Okay, known as tabs bar. Okay, here you have another part. We have zoom, we have minimize, maximize. this part is known as close, this is maximize, this is minimize. Okay, here you look that this part is known as minimize, maximize, then close this part. Okay, and here we have zoom bar. As you have seen, we can maximize, okay, so, and also minimize by scrolling here. We have another part here, the parts from here, okay, from here up here is known as taskbar. Okay, okay, as you see here, as part 2, each and everything is clear. This area which is the color white is the content area where you write your content. So this is the tab, even this one is the tab, this one is the tab. Okay, this area from here is what to call ruler bar. From here up here is known as scrolling bar. To scrolling bar, okay, can scroll down or up. Okay, so this area is known as title bar. Okay, this is close. Okay, maximize, minimize. Sometimes this one known as restore down, or to put something on a task bar. This status from here up here is known as taskbar or status bar. This part from here up here is known as live word count. Is where you can count the pages and even the number of words you are typing. Okay, if you start typing, okay, typing here. When you start typing here, you count is 2. Okay, because we have two lines, then you have page 1 out of 1 because it is 1 page. So this is known as live word count. Okay, this box is known as helper box or helper buttons. Okay, this is known as zoom bar or zoom slider. You can zoom, okay, you see, you can zoom or zoom out or zoom in. Okay, you see that it's clear now. Remember that this part is known as quick access bar. Okay, this is known as, sometimes is known as file tab. Okay, hope that you have enjoyed this lesson of describing Microsoft Word Outlook, how it look like, Outview. So next we will look other special lesson. Remember to check whether you have made subscription on my YouTube channel. If not, try to subscribe, and then also comment, even share this lesson to many people or many friends of yours. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet next time.